What's up, Winhawks? My name's GC, and this is Hawk Now. This week is Live Unified Week, and here are a few ways on how we can make our school become a little bit more diverse and how we can raise awareness towards special athletics and other activities like that. 1. On January 15th, aka Wednesday, aka the day I should have this video out by, make sure to wear orange. 2. During your lunch waves, be sure to be on the lookout for Live Unified tables, and on those tables will be orange Live Unified bracelets and stickers available for purchase. And the money will go straight back into supporting and promoting special athletic activities, clubs, and just promoting the high school for being one of the 300 high schools in Minnesota being certified as unified. One of the questions you can ask could be about the Disability Pride flag, where every color means something a little bit different and includes everybody, whether it's a physical disability, cognitive disability, or you're just having a really tough time. This flag can be inclusive to all of us here at the Winona Senior High School. Now that's all I got for you this week, and as always, our school, your news, Hawk Now. We also have a massive problem plaguing our Molly, yes! Okay, C-.